Okay, so we are having over here sum number 25, which is 5x minus 35 upon x is equal to 18.
Yeah.
In this sum, you can see over here in the denominator, we are having x. So now here we are going to multiply all the terms by what is there in the denominator. So here x is there in the denominator. It means this term is going to get multiplied by x. This will be multiplied by x. And this also will be multiplied by x. 5x multiplied by x. This is going to give us 5x square. These x and x will get cancelled. So this is going to give me minus 35. This is equal to 18 into x. This is going to give me 18x. Okay, I'm going to bring this 18x over here. This is going to give me the middle term. So this is going to become, okay, therefore 5x square minus 18x minus 35 is equal to 0. Now here the coefficient of x square is 5. It will get multiplied with 35. So 5 multiplied by 35, and that number which you are going to get, you are going to factorize that to obtain minus 18x. Okay, negative 35 minus 35 is there. 35 multiplied by 5, if I'm going to multiply this, I'm going to get 175. Okay, I'm going to factorize this 175. So this will be 5. This is going to give me 35. Again 5. This is going to give me 7. So 5 into 5 into 7. These are the factors.
24.
The last term is negative. I'm supposed to subtract the factors. Why? Because the last term is negative.
Yes, sir.
The product is minus 175. So whatever factors you are doing, you are supposed to do the subtraction. Now we are going to take over here this group, this pair, and this one. 5 into 5 is 25. Other number is 7. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to do a subtraction. 25 minus 7 is 18.
Yeah.
So the factors are 25 and 7, which will be positive, which will be negative. One factor has to be positive, one has to be negative, because here the last term is negative.
Yeah.
Okay. So now over here, obviously here the middle term is negative. So the bigger factor of this is going to be negative. So I'm going to have over here minus 25x and plus 7x. Okay. So I'm going to factorize this. This will be, the middle term will be splitted. 5x square. This is going to become minus 25x plus 7x minus 35 is equal to 0. Okay, from this part 5x is common. Inside the bracket we are going to have, okay, this will be x minus 5 plus over here from these both 7 is common. Inside the bracket I'm going to get x minus 5 is equal to 0. So here I'm going to factorize this. This is going to give me x minus 5. In the other bracket we are going to have 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. I'm going to write this, continue on the other side over here.
Yeah.
So this is going to give me x minus 5 is equal to 0, or 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5. 5x is equal to minus 7. X is equal to minus 7 upon 5. This is going to be our solution set, which is 5 and minus 7 upon 5. You'll take down this sum, and if you have any questions, you are going to ask. Now basically what we have done here, because here x was there in the denominator, therefore I have multiplied all the terms by this number. Okay, by
Yes,
this
sir.
term. If here suppose I'm just giving for an example over here, suppose if 3 would have been there upon, then here 3 and x, the LCM would have been 3x. Everywhere you would have multiplied here 3x, 3x, 3x.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the method of solving the sum. You just take down the sum. If you have any questions, you can ask me, and then we will go ahead for the next sum.